了 has already happened with is a pattern used to express that something has already happened, similar to 已经了. However, 已经了, the two options can actually combine in the pattern 都已经了 used before a time 都了 is used at the beginning of a sentence. It will sometimes followed by 还 or 还在 都 plus time plus 了都九点了快点起床 It's already 9 o'clock. Get out of the bed. 都12点了，你还不睡？ It's already 12 o'clock. Aren't you going to bed? 都1个小时了，他还在厕所里。It's already been an hour, and he is still in the bathroom. 都1个星期了，还在下雨。It's been a week and it's still raining. Used before the predicate. Subject plus to plus predicate plus la. The predicate part of the pattern can be a verb or an adjective. 饭都凉了，快吃吧。The food is cold already. Let's eat. 我都说了3遍了，别烦我。I have said it 3 times already. Leave me alone. 他都道歉了，你别生气了。It's already apologized. Stop being so mad at him.